Hello everyone, we are here with a new video. In this video, we are talking about the B.Ed Science and Maths selected list for 2-year B.Ed. Okay, and B.Ed 2-year B.Ed's list for art student has already come, and we have made a video on that previously today only. Okay, and this is a good news for those students who are selected. I'll be reading the names for those students, and before that I would like to tell you we have 100 plus videos for RIE CEE preparation which was not conducted in 2020 and expected to be conducted in 2021. So if you are a student who want to prepare for RIE for and look for your career in teaching profession, you can definitely reach out our YouTube channels and YouTube channels playlist, and you would be finding them very helpful, and we are always there to support you. And for more information you can join our Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description box. So now I will be reading the names and the related information of the B.Ed Science and Math selected list candidates. This 18th December 2020 the list was released, and the last date for admission is 5 p.m. 21 December 2020. So students, keep in mind the date and the time as well. If you are late, you are just gone. Okay, so keep in mind the time 5 p.m. and the date 21 December. So I'll start now. Andhra Pradesh, this list, these names I'll be reciting now are from Andhra Pradesh, and general merit list have two candidates: Vasudevachari Kadali, OBC non-creamy layer, and second candidate is Lakshmi Sahiti, general candidate. So students, I would like to tell you before anything you point out my mistakes. I would already apologize for the pronunciation of maybe different from what you pronounce your name as well. So we'll be continuing our list names now. OBC have one candidate, Bhargavi Badi Ginchala, OBC non-creamy layer, and SC candidate, one candidate from Andhra Pradesh for SC is Repudi Sunila. Okay, and now the list for Karnataka comes. Karnataka in general merit list has two candidates, Varuni H. Rao in general, and the second candidates in general or the open category is Harusha M, OBC non-creamy layer. So in general merit list, that is the open merit list, has two candidates, one is from general and other is from OBC non-creamy layer. The only from the Karnataka state only we will be looking for the OBC, and it has two candidates, Rakshit CJ, OBC non-creamy layer, and Priyanka V, OBC non-creamy layer. In SC category there is only one candidate in Karnataka, and the name is Harshita R. Okay, in ST category there is only one candidate from Karnataka, Rahul Raghav B. And we'll move on the next state, Kerala. And from Kerala in general merit list there are two candidates, Harish R. Nair from general only, and the second candidate Jayant N. V. from general as well. In Kerala state only, the OBC has one candidate, Sri Lakshmi K, OBC non-creamy layer, and in Kerala state one candidate from PWD category, that is specially abled persons category, has one candidate, Tom Thomas, that is from general category only. Okay, now we'll move on for Tamil Nadu, the third state we have seen so far, and in general merit has two candidates, Nitya Shri Vivi from general only, and the second candidate in this general merit or the open list, Danya S, she is from OBC non-creamy layer. So this misunderstanding of the candidates about the general or open list we have cleared in a specific video we have already made about it. You can also check on that general category is an open category, and any candidate from any other category can have a seat from general merit list. Okay, so we'll move on the Tamil Nadu's OBC candidature, and it has two candidates, Suhasini R and Taminzini S. Both are from OBC non-creamy layer. Tamil Nadu itself has SC candidate 1, that is R Sneha. From Telangana, we'll be looking at general merit list. It has two candidates, Vaishnavi. BS Vaishnavi, that is ST category. You see here, general merit list or the open merit list has two candidates in Telangana, and both are not from general category. One, BS Vaishnavi, is from ST category, and second, Bhaktini Akshita, is from OBC non-creamy layer. Okay, candidates. So OBC, will move on the Telangana's next list, that is from OBC category, and it has one candidate, Divya Vegalam, OBC non-creamy layer. Telangana has one SC candidate, that is Arati Kandari, SC category, and one ST candidate, and it is written that selected under pool, regional pool. Okay, student. So matlab, what it means is that there would be several states coming under regional pool, and that from that pool only Telangana's one candidate from ST is selected, that is Kishan Nayak V. Okay, now we come at UT, Pondicherry or Lakshadweep. General merit list has one candidate, Manasi M, OBC non-creamy layer, and EWS category has 5 candidates, if I'm not wrong. Yes, they have 5 candidates in UT from EWS categories, and I am naming them: Ashley Baby general category, Madhuri NS general, Anusha Busi Reddy general category, Nanda Vaishnavi Parnasala. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Nanda Vaishnavi Parnasala general, and Atira R general category. So candidates. So here it is written Union Territory Pondicherry Lakshadweep. Pondicherry and Lakshadweep has only one seat, that is given in the general category, and this EWS list of 5 candidates from all the above states taken 5 candidates only for EWS category. We have already seen that nowhere they have mentioned EWS category candidates. So in the end, they have mentioned about all the states taken 5 candidates from EWS category. So student, this is the end of the video. If you are selected, many congratulations to you, and if you are not, don't get disheartened. You have to prepare for the next attempt 2021, and we have videos for that, and there will be a waiting list. Okay, because there are students who don't make their appear, they don't make their appearance correctly. What I mean by a correct appearance is with the perfect document preparation and on time delivery of those documents is not done by many students. This is why the waiting lists are coming again and again. So don't dishearten yourself, keep your hopes high. There will be a chance for you in this session only, and if not this session, there will be a chance for you in next session. So keep working hard, and congratulations to those students who are selected. Stay healthy, stay blessed. All the best, students. Bye.